Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Electronic Question. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to install the Vmware Workstation Pro 15.5.5 version in Windows. First of all, why should we install this? What's the basic use of this? If you are having a low-end PC and you want to run another OS by dual boot, which will make you run your system very slowly. So instead of dual booting the system through this software, we can run many OS without any lag. So let's begin the video. The previous version of this workstation is 15.5.2. I previously made a video on this version also, where you can watch it on my YouTube channel Electronic Question. So recently we got an update from 15.5.2 to 15.5.5. In this update, the developers team has fixed the bugs and lags. So please support and subscribe to my channel Electronic Question. Now let's install the workstation. First of all, open your Chrome browser and type VMware latest version. Now go to the first website, it's an official one. Now it's clear that Workstation Pro for Windows and Workstation Pro for Linux. So if you are using Windows, download this version, and if you are using Linux, download this. So presently I'm using Windows version, so I'm downloading this. So I have already downloaded the file, so I'm not downloading it again. So it's of 537 MB. We can download it. Now let's install that. Click on yes. It's preparing to install. While the installation is going on, you need to restart the system. I think it may ask in previous version, it asks to restart the system. I think it may ask now also. Let's wait. Yeah, it asks to restore your system to finish the installation Microsoft and then rerun on the installer. So guys, I'm pausing the video now. Again, after restart I will resume. So now I have restarted my system and let's install it again. Let's click on yes. Preparing to install. Let's wait and see. it's in process, so let's wait and see. Now it's preparing to install. So click on next, accept to the terms and conditions, and click on next. So it's asking the enhanced keyboard driver. So a reboot will be required to use this feature. This feature requires 10 MB to host time, so no need. So if you want to change your location, you can change here. So I want to keep it in program files only, so I'm going to next. So please keep tick mark on this. Check for product updates on startup. So when you start the workstation, it will check for updates, so please give a tick mark on this. So join the VMware customer, please give a tick mark on this also, and click on next. So it will create a shortcut on desktop if you give a tick mark on this. So start menu programs folder, if you want an icon on start menu, so give a tick mark on this also. I want the both, so I'm giving tick mark on the for both. So click on next. So if you click on install, the installation will begin. So click on install, it will show the status. So it will take some time to install. Let's wait. I'm pausing the video now. So after completing the installation, you will ask finish and license. So please give the license here, click on license. It will ask the serial key here. So I'm having my serial key here. I'm pasting it here. So enter it. So it's showing it's not valid. Let's search in Google. So license key for VMware 0.5, give your version 5.5. You will get many more serial keys. You can copy paste. There's a serial key of my previous version, so it's showing like that. So let's pick anyone. Copy and paste and enter. Yeah, it's approved, it has taken. So click on finish now. So again it will ask to restart your system. So restart it then open it, you will see the workstation. And I will be doing another video how to install the OS in Vmware Workstation Pro. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel Electronic Quotient, and if you like the video please share, like and subscribe. Thank you guys.